From the chairs we sit on to the air we breathe, everything that exists has been manufactured one way or another. But what makes manufacturing so cool? To answer that question, we met with Airgas, a company that rises above the crowd when it comes to manufacturing firms. Here at Airgas, employees live and breathe manufacturing.
Airgas is a large company. They're fairly diverse.
They supply anything and everything, medical, pharmaceutical, industrial, anything you need.
The operation organized by these skilled workers is quite impressive. By filtering the air into oxygen, nitrogen, and argon with a series of particularly cool processes, Airgas can literally make something out of nothing.
Our raw material is free. It's the air we breathe. We're liquefying air, which means we're operating under very low temperatures, and any moisture or carbon dioxide present would solidify and basically stop the process.
Working at temperatures ranging from negative 300 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, it can be said that the atmosphere at Airgas is quite interesting.
There's never a shortage of ice around here.
Many workers find satisfaction in knowing that their efforts are a vital part of society.
We wouldn't be anywhere if we didn't have manufacturing. We build America is one of the slogans.
The world has been greatly improved by the products of many manufacturers. For example, Airgas dedicated many hours to helping the victims from the Texas hurricanes in 2017.
We made several critical deliveries because people don't stop needing medical care, and hospitals still need oxygen.
Manufacturing can also be a mentally enriching field that puts your mechanical skills to the test.
And it's good to have some type of a science or a math background. You really can't go wrong with science.
You don't have to have a college degree, it helps.
For Airgas, as with many work environments, responsibility is the key to success.
Whether it's environmental, safety, business, we definitely pursue people that have a high level of integrity. We want somebody that's aware and responsible.
Thankfully, manufacturing firms are always looking for new hirees, and those searching for jobs can rest assured that there are plenty of different opportunities available.
You'll always find some openings within Airgas. And again, that can be sales, it can be technical, it can be laboratory people.
Everyone has their own duties and tasks. We have loaders which unload and load the trucks, drivers, but they'll drive the truck, and the fillers, they can do all the mixing and the filling of the gases in the bottles, and we have managers that watch over everything. So everybody has their integral part, and it all works together to get material in one side of the building and out the other.
With such a wide variety of tasks to be completed, there are plenty of opportunities to find a fulfilling career in manufacturing.
Manufacturing is not going to go away. It's here to stay. If you're a hard worker and work good with your hands, it's the way to go. It worked for me. 35 years later, I'm still working at it hard.
So whether you have always had an interest in mechanics, or you're still unsure what career path you'd like to take, why not consider gaining some experience in manufacturing? After all, it is undeniably one of the coolest industries to be a part of.